Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2023 XE solid mechanics paper. We have solved one marks question. Question number 75 to 87 carry 2 marks. Question number 75 is solid uniform disk of mass m and radius capital R rolls without flipping along a horizontal surface PQ. The speed of the center of the disk is v. The disk then strikes a hurdle of height 3r by 20 at point S. During the impact, there is no rebound or slip at S and no impulse from surface PQ. The magnitude of velocity of the center of the disk immediately after the impact is option A 0.1 v, option B 0.3 v, option C 0.7 v, and option D 0.9 v. So this is the given figure. This is disk and center of it is having linear velocity v, and this is the hurdle of height PR by 20. Radius is S1. So here this problem can be solved by conserving angular momentum about point S. Just before striking, we will find out the angular momentum, and just after striking, we will find out the angular momentum, and equate these two. Okay. So first of all, before impact, so as this disk is having linear velocity v, suppose this disk is having angular velocity v. So it is a combination of linear velocity and angular velocity. So it means it is rolling. So rolling, or we can take rolling as a combination of linear velocity and angular velocity. Okay. So there will be two momentum, one due to linear velocity and other due to angular velocity before impact. Okay. So as we have to find out the angular momentum about point S before impact, so we'll take it like that. Okay. Separately find out the angular momentum due to linear motion and due to rotational motion. Okay. So the formula for angular momentum is mvr. M is mass, V is velocity, and R we can say is the distance about which angular momentum we have to find out, or perpendicular distance about which perpendicular distance of the velocity about which momentum we have to find out. So mv is this, m mass, v is velocity, and the distance, perpendicular distance is r minus 3r by 20. R minus 3r by 20, that is 17r by 20. Okay, mv into 17r by 20. Okay, and this is due to linear motion. Suppose IC is moment of inertia of disk about center, and omega is angular velocity. So this will be angular momentum will be your IC into omega, and IC is mr square by 2 for a disk. Moment of inertia about center is mr square by 2, and omega is your v by r. This is v, this is r, omega is v by r. So solving this, we get 27 by 20 mvr. So this is equation number 1, and this is the angular momentum before impact. So after impact, the velocity direction will change. The velocity will be in upward direction dx, and momentum about this point, same point, will be your m final velocity dx into r, and that is due to linear motion, and due to angular motion it will be IC into the omega f. Okay, and omega f is df by r. Okay, so solving this, we get 3 by 2 m df r. Okay, so equating momentum, angular momentum before impact and after impact, we get vf as 0.9 b. Option D is the right answer.